Alright, this is my PLC program. The goal of this program is to continuously run the conveyor belt when Selector A on this switch here is selected. And as you can see, it is running when Selector A is selected continuously. I used bits to latch and unlatch the motor here, and they will go into a bit input here that actually powers the motor on and off. So if I go to stop, I will signal my stop input here to unlatch the motor, and I will in turn go to this bit, which will turn off, and the motor will stop. The second goal of this program is to jog the motor with Selector B. In other words, inch the box on this conveyor belt forward. So this is my input for Selector B. And in a momentary press, inch forward, 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 forward. And can only continuously run when the operator is continuously holding down the start. First Selector B. Now the other goal of this was to have the run light on as well. As you can see, it is on and off as the conveyor belt is running. And that's because I had the output motor be the input for this side, and that in turn, when this input detects that output 2 is on, and in turn turns on output 2/2, which is our run light here. And the same goes for when the motor is continuously running the belt. The run light is continuously on. And all my inputs and outputs are correctly labeled. So yeah, that's it.